Memwakwa badoba Djka Nyansapo TV. Minim say celebrate the whole preparation towards Christmas because Christmas is just around the corner. Enche na ye Kwaku di brunya. Ejebo. Mekai kane sabri na yesi brunya duane ade so no. Eno nti mama mu nyina makwa ba. Hi Djka Nyansapo channel. Make sure so be subscribe na if you want press the notification button for more uploads. Ebusia Enra on United Showbiz. Gifty Empress Adoye entimi ama me piem ni nyina ne se ne maame akanchenegu ne maame daya wan sorry enu nti enura na chese akoye wusun areho kodanna ene adwendwen na etu yenua ba no enu nti ama no entimi ama me piem ametena se ewu United Showbiz ema yenua ba ma Ola Michaels ono ena etenemu ede ema Gifty Empress Adoye na first time akwame A+ yen nim say oye panel on the show ono kra je chese oka ho na okoprim rahye bedwa akonwa no ewo gomua sabram no ka say de wono ena awini a sabre obo A+ din a mepacho fa honorable efa eka ho enye ono nko baba Sadik yen nim say omo nyina nso eba United Showbiz so say nipa mienu nso etimi ewini ye eno nti enra on United Showbiz no omo bai ebe express omo gratitude edema wonum viewers cherished viewers ene omo bompa edema omo nyina na enra Bob Ziga Kwaku Manu nso ba be piem ewo show no so Kwaku Manu be piem na Kwaku Manu ka se ono ohwe niema bia na ekwa na MPP na omo nye ready se omo epe to me omo pe power because omo niema no omo ye nyina no e kire se na omo nya omo adwene se omo pe to me the senka no mu petumi anka niema bi ho a enko mo nye na osan gina so e de kire ni video bi a eba abonten wa bra ye beto aba manfo be di na tem bebrebe kofo bi fan sound e de koto video bi ase o se sa sound no e wom so na record ye na sa video ne e de koto so no de enyo no o se in fact atem didie o ji bi gu ni video mpa Kwaku Manu e be kire mi yenko na yenkotie no
But me bisa we you 1 or 2 pebi. Why is ni bi e fa baton?
Me patwan.
Butai be na net echi.
Butai etechi no eye o story na da KMTV e wo YouTube CCI. Ye wo yehuafo wom a o so nto aba. Yes, true story no. Ne baba yale serious. Na wo pesi kasa tam so na campaign time. Na o pesi ka free enchen. Also so want to aba. Yes, aka we no. Also want to aba me so nipa me ye campaign amano no. Eye mpisika. It is also want to aba dia me nya say sika no mfama because a politician sika. O Ghana card we. On te eye sini and ye try that was sia. Eno na me dey ye campaign say obeto ama ya toma ye. On to mfama on toma ya fa ojimeko because ye ne ye wa bem. What you say?
Sa de no eye wo na originate no. Because me who baby me who video be na say MPP kasi baby.
Anu de minimum.
Na say na voice da say.
Anu de minimum hwe.
And you na this hard in the back.
Me na me sinimu campaign.
Ona yes.
Me MP na power.
Okay.
Ana me chen ko fose ono ne manyina egu abroche dada wo. Una wo hia bibi wa wo fom no na hia bibi. To beto amana, to ma no. O to ma no so afa kwase akọ. Ko de wa bam bi ensaka. Ente eye sinimu.
Yeah.
Ana ye try but the obi di koto car so obi yes ndie me kura me da ho no obi kura de send me say hey ti sana akoye
ba say e bae no amanfo bebre na hu say sini ne yeso akɔhye colors bi na e akoye say party bi color na say would di party ni hu fel
da bi
hu say comment
no me hu comment bebre e no kura Ghana for bebre ni be di matem but wo hire dia wo ye producer o industry no modie me gi se onim se de sini twate papa so minim se mpefo wa bebre no munya motesini ase me ya actor onim se na producer but nipa o create o ye t-shirt any costume a onim se so nipa foforo
nya wo actor no
yes ya wo call location so wo ko se character nti adwuma na me koye ba se bia me se da se me kwa me de na DPP Patrice what must Djka na ne da matade tisanity
okay na say nye boapaye bi say ye sheda dig party bi hu fel dem na sini na na ye coincidence
me patron asem na share
but finally results ni buy hu the way adensi kwa no ebo hu dwiriu
ma me ka bibi kakra nka bibi kakra na bi ampefo beba ma no mabam mimi hu ne said this year na MPP nye ready some person ba power yeah metia no say sebi man ko school nche se broni ba me hu no education started from home problem ye wo Ghana ha no that is obi kabro for him so nenim nyansa okay na ade ba ko ni esono leader obi abetima ye leader obi abetimi abaye panyin but me obi na betima ye leader
okay
you betimi do what ade no so na ye leader but the spirit of leadership e bi na enu be a research be 2018 a topic national topic peace FM kwa from me interview 2018 na me research say ye to aba na MPP bewe ebelusu 2018 na me research ebeye national obi gogo sa 18 from 18 wo kwa obi hu de make
okay
say ye to aba ebelu MPP belusu ema MPP platform so so ye research the bar out to say the me kan ba say ye to aba MPP bewe ni
I said no 2018
asem na make be si asem so
and MPP winning 2020
me be kan asem si asem so ana sa research ne bai ana mpemfo bi so ye research wachiri setete no obi timi hwe wiem ka search na nsuo beto but nsuo nto tio but ana na mafo na ba obi so betimi de book aka se nsuo beto nsuo nto ye hwa de bo ha ti se 2018-19 mu na mu di free education bai but wo hwe 2016 gabwa na MPP wo etu yewura mahama na se wo de be compare 2020 free education na ka MPP ye homework na sa asem na me kan ye no se ke ye to aba 2018 na MPP belusu no sa na koye but wo hwe gabo no because that time na nkrama so for 18 years na free education is so powerful but wo hwe abato no to free education kura na asem ma wo MPP ni de ye campaign MP a wote ne bro no so de ye campaign o man panyin Akufo-Addo papa me de ncha kese ma obabi a wo bia e de ye campaign na de hwe gabo na and make us will be power check from 2018 by some we say by power me the national topic okay but eno we no na case MPP sisa team no
team bay
set team no ya article 4 no only free education
okay
but still na no side boy 3442 na about 2024 ade so ba fresh and ye kai what in come say so we compare 2020 about one no na can you say MPP for edidi adgudi so hwe ya omukọ campaign all right you set time all right but now share platform omukọ so a na enyo perform na ye more a same message
omukọ tonyo mu chain
what you say sometimes so no de nani abro so petumi no onya abote chechem chenkofo eti ola ye nya nwanwa be enya me nwanwa because na me say free education ba kura 2020 kura no 2020 kura na gabo ne te say na sisi a free education ya beji atum na ya asem dada asem ba foforo a na e fresh o but ade achi so a enye case bi ade tie na ade san no obi pe bi foforo na ati ati say social media tubo na we dey trend ni ya loku we say na obi dey na e dey eko ba me just edi nkomo ye dey nkomo be baba
Kwaku Manu ni atie no Bob Ziga aka we me taste I'm love you I'm kiss you wono ena sabre mwate ne nka no enra on United Showbiz na enra Bulldog as sabre friend Bull God ono nso eka se wono de ne mpai ba no obo nyina ene se na MPP omo be fira konwam osena their days are numbered because ohwe ne ma no omo ye na ne ho tete ni na ne mpai bo nyina ene se womo be fira bam no omo akọ na obi fufro nso aba beto as because ohwe omo a na otimu so omo abre yenkotie Bulldog nso
from the time omo ba office I've always wanted them out. Yes, from 2017. You know, so I was just counting the days. And I had in your conviction, it said there's nowhere you know, 2020 I understood why saying we need you because Ghana yeah 4 years back. We are getting to that era where Ghanaians were politicians 4 years. You do it. You know, so I understood why they won in 2020. But I knew, say, 2024 that there was no way because Social society, I will make I say 3 class of people. There were high class, middle class, and a lower class. Omu ha ubia. Omu say ubia from the top to the bottom. Oman spell ubia. So nyame nkofo bi unze na me boss bi kasa na me ka say me I'm more of energy, me tie energy more than the numbers, the metrics, the nkofo history, the MDB. I connect more with energy, and I realized that the energy wasn't right. You know, the whole Ghana, like in Kitre, Nkoko, Obia Buefu. I'm telling you.
In Kitre,
yes, in Kitre,
in Kitre.
Yes, that's a lizard. Yes, every animal, ants, in Tatie, Kakalika, only there Kakalika. Oh, cockroach.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Obia Buefu. Obia, and I can hear them angry. I'm telling you. Oh, I say, Mamekano. Utifia na unye dipa unti ase.
Na said nipa who asem de more de formal ben.
Oh, no. Omu is spiritual. Yes. You see, we are just lucky to be here as people. What I say? Obi mu aba. Omu spirit aba share emboamu. I'm telling you. Who say Ghana ni Africa happen na mwa. Yo, honorable. Yes.
Okay, permission to say it. Honorable is in the building. And he's looking honorably.
You know, so Africa, Pena, Ebiahu, War Gecko. So in War Gecko.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. And I say, Tuntum and Abu Pese Ukunu, Kosane Ache, Abruche and Yenisa. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So some of us connect to nature like that. I'm telling you, the trees.
Connected to
yes. Any BBR, everything nature. You can't nyami so.
Okay.
Nyami ti obiemu. Ntina nyami buefu.
What the buefu why?
MPP4.
Oh, okay.
Amai bua no mu bu no na enye that kwaso. Nsuo no ma se nsuo ni na buefu. Who say Bimuno Bimukaso say it's only be gods near dear. They were waiting for election day. What I say? I mean, some of us were privileged to be part of presidential secretariat or Kumasi.
Bulldog no so akane de enra na Frimpong Ziga. Kesman Media. Wono so eya no tai ko PM United Showbiz. Nenra na Frimpong so e kan sem bebre. Was say in the history of Ghana politics, if free 1996 basis sabri, NDC aya de bia obi nye bida na ebeye den so obi be break his idea we ya e bia be the next 30 years because was say osha say swear President Mahama president elect sworn in on the 7th of January obey the long ever serving president and I feel so was history be mu nso ne say if we say oman Ghana ye wo oman mu ye nya oba as a vice president da and also obo Mahama Abaso say in the history of Ghana politics ye nya oba as vice president nemum wama ye nya oba as a vice president afen so also hwe nkonya NDC asesa e wo parliament and also in the history of Ghana politics e bin see that enunti wo bo wonum abaso sanse wonum ayade yie pa na Frimpong Ziga so ekasa yenko na yenko ti ono so
from the first republic to second republic to the third republic this fourth republic a normal NDC ayeno
ahwe betimi ateki by 50 years no be antimi break his records no. Yes, it's very very astonishing. It's serious. They be quite say. First of all, my main ka say obia na mehu ni say oba United Showbiz.
Nana Bacho, my main tia say udi kan ka say ye good election.
Me see ye good election.
Ye good.
Yes, okay. Ye good election. Okay. Obia oba United Showbiz bia where na dwen so be contest bia no. E won. Kwame winning.
Honorable.
Yes, Sadek is now oba hasi. Sadek is winning. And AK Frimpong so winning. And Dr. Duchum so also came here.
There's a higher blessed land.
Blessed land. So we have to say it. Obi oba habia no or contest bia winning. It tells you how powerful this platform is, whether you like it or not. But you see, you're not good election. At the country America side say President Mahama Ushe figure now the winning 1992 President Rawlings near 58 point something percent. 1996 when near 56.4%. 92 to 58.4%.
No. 92 now so near
92 is 58.4%. And 97 no is 57.4%. No be any bidder in the history of this country. And President Mahama Ababe breaking that record. On breaking record, but it's like uyi 96 the influence. Abaya to ni na onini nipa say onya 56.55%. E bin see that. My idea. They be quite say. Through President Mahama and at this country hereby benya the first female vice president. Yenya bida.
Yeah.
Why idea? For the first time, I remember NDC for Abaso. Say 21 seat bia award this country. Obia NDC winning that 21 good seats. And now obia katenania obia nsusu da say obetime win that seat no. Ayawa Central, Ablekuma West, Adansia Sokwa, just name them. 21. Yes, Jamaica Achase. Obetime winning that you know NDC ayade. On and on and on and on. And President Mahama Sabe be the long serving said Nyamea na dona ye swear in. Next utimi etwa 4 years now. Or be the long serving president ever. You get me? Because yes, because on say President Rawlings in 11 years the military, the junta time no. And obenya another 8 years until 19 years. Until the 19 years no the time from the military junta time no ebeka the civilian rule obenya 19 years 117 days. Then President Mahama ebenya 8 years 167 days. You get me? It is a woody President Rawlings military side in Fuma. Civilian rule now. President Mahama so to me 4 years now about that. Then he's also the first former president was stage come back successfully.
Okay.
With the 2 elections attempts and ultimately winning side. So a marvelous. Why are they? But Mihuni say President Mahama will be the first president in this country. And show your be amend the constitution to suit his another tenure.
But before we jump there, let's stick to the Nkomona Aiden say election. Your remarks before, during, and after election.
Okay,
so we know we can situate this conversation at another date.
Okay, another day, no problem. So what I'm saying is, we have done well before this election. Yes, send na easy electoral commission. The we are no more normal. Say BVD machine ayra. Omisi binyirai. Yebi huni akohu bi osuhum eni ade yeah limited registration na Dr. Manebu ama raise conflict against the numbers almost say there be a the right you be checking and tesa you get me now all the compare say Madam Jean Mensah made a mistake in 2020 taba na wo declaration na de bia metewa na me yam hyehyem say anhwe ya na mami they keep every bia na ye bia no mistake activity bia na isi ni ye bia no mistake eti de bia metewa na me yam hyehyem say mami nyame enso no mu na this time around yanko ye mistake because say election we na ye ko na be Ziga na da you get me ne e crucial because the other time me catch you say post Rawlings no na NDC aye election mako 6 ewa Ghana first round na NDC for every one
no post Rawlings na Ghana year election 6 not NDC
every one election go 2000 NPP won 2004 NPP won 2008 NPP won the first round 2012 NDC won 2016 NPP won 2020 NPP won so 6 you get me now even the 2020 crown 2012 the crown it went to court and NDC were struggling to get that number but we are 49% crown for past 6 elections now almost struggling to get it so now I election now easy you get
but
that
with this particular one in all your predictions na ususuda say this kind of margin any percentage you could have arisen from election
no never
why expected that
my expected that because na me say both parties no be abetimi alusu
okay
because adequate na make us say they said that make us say last 6 elections am ya na NDC really one pair so now me calculation me say it looks like they don't have the numbers
to win this
particular election you get me and I would say omuntimi that percentage and where Dr. Baumia was coming from say we share the strategically NPP for unify the northern part of the country say obe neutralizing the northern votes they choosing a running mate from Ashanti region the Ashanti region will vote massively for them to win the election na me say there e bia NPP betimi win but in the other side no adia ba konso na edima NPP so ne say there's a change of government in every 8 years ever since the Comfort Republic and no ya ano abatros bia na eda NPP fokum and also vice president bia nu honoma wa contest president the first time our winning with this country
okay vice president bia nu wa contest presidency first time our winning kramu mame na
abusa Djka Nyansa po TV me pa chon subscribe now if you press the notification button for more uploads. Afi you pay money transfer. Ebia na wo Canada or US. Euro baby I will be send this card ya back and make sure. Say obe download the application e dia to phone. So download we now send this card but me promo code DJKA never shame. Udi shame we have $5 square. E the account sika. They all send their brand Ghana and see internet capre. You pay. E ya man sign boa for. Me that say my crown. Bye bye.